What up guys, Alex from the Touge Knights. Just gonna be giving you a little bit of an update on what's been going on in my garage on the 240 and what I'm gonna be doing this weekend. Going to be pulling out the rear subframe, replacing all the arms and links with adjustable ones from DivTech, and also solid subframe bushings from DivTech. So check it out. So I've already taken the liberty of removing the coilovers and disconnecting the differential from the drive shaft, but what is left is disconnecting the subframe bushings and dropping the rear subframe, and we should be able to clean things up, remove the bushings, and put on all of our new hardware.
Got her all washed up, and now it's time to replace the subframe bushings. It's not like it's trying to hold up anything important, but I feel like that's a pretty good time to replace your bushings. So solid bushings, here we come.
Well, it's a little cold this morning, but we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna install all my arms and links and subframe bushing, the solid subframe bushings that I got from DivTech. So these are the arms and links that I got from DivTech as well. So they seem like they're pretty sturdy. Not the most expensive ones that I can purchase on the internet, but as most of you know by watching our channel, I've got bigger plans for my new build, so I would like to not break the bank to make sure that this car is driftable for this next season. So yeah. Since this takes forever, what you want to do is you want to take a saw, you're going to notch the top of the sleeve and then notch down all the way down, and then use a hammer and a screwdriver to pry that sleeve out. I've got the center of that guy pulled out already, so now I just need to get those two to cooperate. So this is what it should look like after you have removed this outer sleeve of the old bushing. See, that is the lip that is actually on the top side of your subframe. I got a Cameron here from Golden. He decided to come over and assist me with this little rebuild of the subframe, but I will show you what we got done. So you want to make sure that you get these clean, rub them down with a wire brush. I gotta do a little bit more of a cleaning there. The screwdriver gouged that one up a little bit, but you want to clean these up. Got the arms and links, so we're gonna start putting this thing together. So got our solid subframe bushings. The little trick is to freeze them. It's supposed to go in a lot easier. Make me look like a professional. this is about all she wrote. New traction, toe, and upper control arms, solid subframe bushings, and we will be coming back to do the 5-lug, so that way Alex could run some big boy wheels. Well guys, that's about it. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe if you like what us as the Touge Knights are doing. I have finished my subframe and about ready to put the 5-lug on and put it back underneath the car and get those big boy wheels. That's what's up. See you guys next time.